What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to take a look at a knife from Tactile Knife Company, obviously the sister company of Tactile Turn Pens, and this is a collaboration from Matthew Christensen from Christensen Knifeworks. I'm very excited to take a look at this knife. There's been a lot of talk, and they've been going through prototypes for quite a while, and so I'm excited to finally take a look at this and to give you my first impressions. So let's take a look at it. Alright guys, so here is your box. Pretty basic. Just some... Okay, alright. That out of the way. Alright, so we got a nice cool Kydex sheath. You got blade Tek Lok. These are very good. They're adjustable. You can adjust them around so you can carry it scout carry or whichever way you want. And I do believe you can also, adjust for different belts too. Very, very cool. I had one years and years ago on one of my handguns. Worked out pretty good. I've found other solutions too that work out pretty good too, but other than that, size wise, not too bad. Okay. Alright, so Matthew Christensen does an interesting job with his Tantos, and they are a lot more kind of Japanese oriented. Yeah, this one's alright. It's very, very mellow. I would prefer a better secondary tip, more aggressive. Would definitely prefer that myself. Okay, we get the branding over here for your MagnaCut in his Christensen Knifeworks logo. Very cool. Got Richlite handles. When they say they're Richlite Micarta. I don't think Micarta and Richlite are actually kind of different materials. Different methods of materials, I guess, but I'm not really sure. But either way, feels kind of really nice, feels grippy, feels really good in the hand for a small knife. Got a lanyard back here for you guys that like lanyards, or if you got big hands and want a little more to grab onto, because obviously it is a smaller knife overall. And let's quick little tape measure here, and so about 6 3/4 inches long, and your blade is about 2 3/4. So yeah, very small, which makes it very EDC friendly. A small knife is a little bit more EDC friendly, especially depending on where your laws are and what you're even allowed to carry. But very cool. Got a nice stonewash there. And like I said, if you guys somebody doesn't like the Tanto, it would not take anything at all to just totally round that off. So, very, very cool. Yeah, got a nice sharp edge. No sharp edges back here. Everything's very nicely machined and matches up very nicely. You have titanium hardware. So that's very cool. Yeah. So overall, yeah, it's very nice and very comfortable. I would like to see a little bit of jimping up here. I think would be nice in case you were doing a little more hard tasking. So some jimping, and I would definitely prefer a little more of a aggressive Tanto there. But other than that, first impressions. Very nicely made, very nice knife. Just a few subtle changes for my preferences, but other than that, very, very nice. Very cool. I definitely will get the leather holster. Hopefully that'll be an option to be able to get down the road, because I would like to actually have both and be able to compare. I tend to like leather a little bit better than Kydex, but it depends on how they carry. So there you guys go. That is the Tactile Knife Company Dreadeye, a Matthew Christensen design. We will catch you next time, guys. Have a great day.